Hey guys, this is Magarant here. Today I made an hovercraft which I learned to make in my Playto class. Let's see the materials required. Pair of scissors, bottle cap, balloon, used CD, clay. The first step we are going to do today is to take an old water bottle cap and make a hole bigger enough to insert the straw. Step 2. Now you can place this cap on the center of the CD and surround it with clay so that it sticks tightly and no air leaks out. The last and final step, which is the step number 3. Now you can take a balloon, insert a straw, and tie it with a rubber band tightly. Blow through the straw and place it through the hole in the bottle cap. Let's see how it works. Now let's see on what principle does it work. The balloon forces air out through the straw when the CD is placed on a surface. There is a layer of air between CD and the surface due to which the CD levitates and moves freely. Thank you guys.